ZANU-PF's recent tweet inviting Zimbabweans to join the coolest political party in course has been met with widespread criticism. The ruling party's message read, "Good morning, Zimbabwe, join the coolest political party today." However, many Zimbabweans took to social media to bash the party, expressing outrage and disappointment at the tone-deaf invitation amidst the country's economic challenges. Some of the comments that followed the statement from the ZANU-PF that inviting Zimbabwe to join ZANU-PF. Nkai Center on X commented that I will never join evil stroke satanic party. How can we join you when you don't like to speak to us on citizens? Speak out. Coolest party fights hunger with cars, Bodo. People's party, while people don't have ambulances and you opt to buy cars for chiefs. Party yekuti tikasanzwanana ndinonyudzwa. Many unexplained days within the party. Kana uri kudya nguva ya Eid unonyura panopinda the next person. Timu ra Chiwenga riri kufa, timu ra Mugabe riri in exile. Itai mega. So these are some of the comments that followed the statement from the ZANU-PF that people, Zimbabweans, to be specific, should join the coolest party in cause, which is the ZANU-PF political party.